Welcome to another weekly vlog. My husband and I just scratched off another date. It's Saturday, so we try to do these once a week. This one says, pick a location to park where there is plenty of space, crank up the music and blast it with the doors open and the windows down. Have a lip sync battle in front of the headlights as if they were a spotlight. Each person will lip sync to 2 songs, one that you choose for yourself and one that your partner chooses for you. After that, enjoy the rest of the night dancing together in the spotlight, slow dance, salsa, swing dance, club dance, or any other genre you prefer. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I have some packages to unbox in the meantime. Denman sent me some of their new brushes. I love the Denman brush. I'm obsessed with it. And they sent me some other brushes before, so they always come out with new patterns and designs, and this one is really cute. I love the colors. Lavender. So pretty. I'm excited to do some hair tutorials with these. This one's called a jellyfish print, whale print, lunar lavender. I was right. These are so nice. Next is a eucalyptus bundle that Self-Care Shower sent me. She's a beauty. Nice and fresh. Gorgeous. Allow the steam from the shower to release the fresh aroma and relax. Ooh, this is nice. I don't have a wine bottle, so I'm going to use my Kahlua bottle to release the scent. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells really good. We're on our way to get some pizza. I am starving. So we went out last night because my husband's sister came into town and I didn't drink, but somehow I still feel hungover today. Like anytime my husband is drinking and I'm not, I get like a contact hangover. It's so weird. Are you not feeling too well, babe?
I'm feeling great.
I need to think of a song that I'm gonna sing and then I need to pick a song for him to sing. But apparently you already have both of your songs picked out, right?
I think so. I'm still deciding on the one that I'm going to sing.
Really? Okay. I think I have a song for you to sing. I'm excited for this pizza though. Sexy date. Oh yeah.
What do we got?
Thanks, baby. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna do my song first. We just pulled up to a church because at least here we're protected. I'm gonna do Monica, Angel of Mine. It's for you, bub.
That's nice.
I'm dedicating this one to you. It's Monday. I cut my bangs yesterday and gave myself some face framing pieces. I've been wanting to do this for a few weeks now, so I finally did it during my self-care Sunday, and I love the way it came out. I was a little scared at first, to be honest, but I think they came out really nice. I'm excited to put some makeup on and style my hair to see how it actually looks when I'm ready, but that looks so cute and so much better. They were just overgrown, and yeah, this is just so much cuter than before. This is exactly what I wanted. I watched a few TikTok videos and then I did it. I've been cutting my own hair for the past couple of months now, and I just think it's hilarious because I've been cutting my hair to save some coin and I'm not mad at it. I actually like how I cut it myself, so I just think it looks so much better. Look at that. Like, why didn't I do this sooner? And I think I'm due for another trim because I gave myself the butterfly cut a few months ago, and I think I'm due for another one, just a little trim. The adventure challenge was fun, but my husband wasn't really into it. I thought it was hilarious. And the song my husband chose for me to perform was WAP by Cardi B. I haven't heard that song in so long. We ended up parking in an empty church lot and I was twerking in front of the cross and my husband was like, not in front of the cross. So I had a lot of fun. I don't think he liked it so much, but I'm excited for the next challenge that we do. I made my first Rare Beauty purchase like 2 weeks ago, and this has been sitting in the box for close to a week now because I have been waiting to film a video using it for the first time. I've been trying to give my skin some time to clear up because it was so bad, and I almost didn't push myself to film it today, but I decided we're opening the box today. I'm gonna apply it today. My skin doesn't look nearly as bad as it did. I had so much texture on my chin. This is my problematic area. I still have a little bit of texture on my chin, but it's a lot better. So I'm gonna film my first impressions on this today, and I'm so excited to open it. I can't believe that I didn't just open it and film it, but I was pretty depressed about my skin. So I was like, I'm gonna set this aside and wait until it clears up. Nobody's perfect. Let's just embrace our imperfections. That's what I have been trying to tell myself. Oh, came with a little bag. That's so cute. I want to welcome you to Rare Beauty, a community full of life, diversity, and a place where you are celebrated for simply being you, regardless of however you look or however you love. I hope you always remember that you are beautiful and you are meant to be exactly who you are. The beauty that you carry is yours to share. And my hope is that Rare Beauty community empowers you to express yourself and embrace your uniqueness. Love always, Selena. So I got 3 things because I didn't want to break the bank, okay? I got this mascara and eyeliner package. I was just gonna get the eyeliner, but I think I saved $10 by getting both of them. So I was like, okay, let me get the mascara too. Heard great things, and I've been needing a new eyeliner. So and then I got a highlighter because the highlighters I have are so old, so I figured I should pick one up as well. The last thing I got is this bronzer stick. This is the main thing that I wanted to get because I am almost out of the current one that I have, and it's just like a random brand that I got from Target a while ago. Okay, well this is a little bit smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but hopefully it lasts a while. Love the packaging. I hope it got the right shade. Ooh, it goes on like butter. I barely applied any pressure and it went on super smooth. Wow. Okay. This is nice. Holy crap. It's like butter. Okay, I think I got a good shade on that one. And then I was like, does that say enchilada? I got the shade Exhilarate for the highlighter. They only had a few highlighter shades, so that made it pretty easy to pick. Ooh, I need to do my nails. So pretty. Okay, love that. The eyeliner comes in this pouch. That's interesting. Perfect Strokes. Matte liquid liner. Love it. I love a matte liquid liner. Okay, let's open her up. This is so interesting. It looks like a pen. I love it. Ooh, yes, queen. I am excited to use this. Look at that tip. And I also got this primer sample card. It has 3 different ones right here. I've been struggling to wake up early in the morning for the longest time. I just can't get up. So I ordered these Bluetooth light bulbs that work with Alexa, and I don't know why I haven't ordered these sooner because we've had Alexa for a few years now and we have one in our bedroom. So let me show you how they work. So for an example, it's 6:05 right now. I'm gonna toggle on this 6:10 p.m. alarm. And my lights should turn on. And that's 20 minutes before my alarm goes off. And like I said, I end up waking up naturally because of the light on my own. So if you don't have these light bulbs, I recommend them. I'll have them linked in the description box. I don't know what I've been doing with my life this whole time. Alexa, good night.
Okay.
I wanted to buy the Nest, which is an alarm clock that does something similar, but it's about $200. So I was like, there has to be a more affordable way, and that's how I found these light bulbs. I just got these moon whitening pens in the mail. They sent me 2, which is nice, so I'm gonna review these, and I just applied them not too long ago for the first time. I've been doing the Crest whitening strips because my teeth have gotten pretty stained up because I drink so much coffee, so these will be nice to help maintain them. I like how the Rare Beauty applied yesterday. I'm wearing everything again today except for the eyeliner. I went for a more natural look, and I applied some faux freckles. I haven't done them in a while. I feel like my husband always looks at me weird when I'm wearing them, but I love them. So we're gonna go to the gym in a little bit. I haven't worked out in like 4 days. I did a home workout today, like a 30-minute abs and booty workout with a booty band, but I need to do some weighted squats because I feel like I was making progress and then I just kind of fell off. So I need to get back into it so I don't lose my progress. My teeth look white only because I have been using the Crest whitening strips. I've used them about 3 times so far. My husband and I split a pack. It came with 20, so we each get 10. And I'll be using the whitening pen in between for sure. I love the Rare Beauty mascara though. It's nice and dark. I curled my lashes before and after I applied the mascara because my lashes just weren't staying up. So I find when I curl them after I apply my mascara, after it's dry, they hold so much nicer. I also applied a little bit of heat to my lash curler. That's the trick to get them to stay. But it makes such a difference when your eyelashes are actually curled. All right, it's the next day and we're gonna try it. I hope it's as good as everyone is saying it is because I've seen mixed reviews in the comments, so I'm a little worried, but oh shit, this is frozen solid. Oh, I don't know. I think I need to let it thaw. Shit. This 1 tub of cottage cheese made all of this, so I have 2 more containers full. And they're all really frozen, so I'm gonna try to thaw them before I try them. It's been about 30 minutes, so let's try some. Let's see if I can get some now. Still frozen. Ooh. My husband couldn't wait and popped the small container in the microwave and drizzled chocolate syrup on it. He said it was all right. I don't think it was his favorite, but I wanted to wait for it to melt. All right, let's try it. Cheers. I think it tastes like strawberry cheesecake, especially with the graham cracker. I actually like it. I filmed a romantic hairstyle using this claw clip that Altered State gifted me for their influencer event that they had like 2 weeks ago. I finally filmed a hairstyle using it. I'm also creating a video for Estee Lauder's Double Wear Foundation. I haven't used this in like 5 years. I forgot how good this is. I'm wearing it right now and I've been wearing it for the past couple of days. I think this is my favorite foundation because I am so oily. This has oil control, shine control. It's supposed to last for 24 hours. Obviously, you shouldn't wear your makeup that long, but I love how natural it looks. I haven't touched it up at all, and I'm doing little check-ins throughout the day. So far, I've only had it on for like 4 hours, but without any touch-ups, that's really good. Normally, my skin looks a lot more oily by now when I use other foundations, so I really love this. It's Friday. I just finished filming this makeup look. This is my new summer makeup routine. I just started reading this book. It was recommended by a friend. I normally only read self-help books, so this is my first thriller that I'm reading, and I'm really excited about it. I just got to chapter 5, and I can't wait to see what happens because I've heard really good things about it and it's starting to get juicy. So I'll keep you posted. It's called Verity and it's by Colleen Hoover. I've heard amazing things about her. So I'm a little bookworm these days. I never thought I would see the day. So I've been in the habit of reading 30 minutes every morning, but that has just been making me tired and putting me back to sleep. So now I'm making it a habit to read 30 minutes before I go to bed. And I love taking my books with me to the gym and reading them on the treadmill when I do my 12-3-30 workout. I'm gonna end the vlog here. My husband and I are gonna do another adventure challenge tomorrow, so make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel so you don't miss it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and make sure you're following me on all social platforms. I'll see you next week.